live stream and I have not announced it anywhere. So let me do that right now. Sorry for so much silence because this is the first time that I'm live streaming. Hmm. Okay, announced. I hope my audio is better. Okay, so first, a little bit intro about myself. So I am Jigar Thulla. I work as a Laravel developer at Densu. I have total 13 years of experience, and this is my first live stream. If you haven't guessed it already, because I will be setting up everything from scratch right now. So yeah, you can see that how nervous I am. All right. So and in today's stream we'll talk about LaraconIn Connect and what this game is about. Also, we are going to try, if time permits, we are going to try and upgrade the latest this game to the latest version of the Laravel, which is Laravel 12. All right, let's open. mm, Not this one. So we will clone the repository first. This game is very simple. There are only five five to six actions that a players can do. Hold a second. So even I am looking at this repository after a long time. So I might be searching a bit here and or searching, going through the code base. So for like I will take some time. So please don't mind. All right. I think a better place to look at how to would be. mm I think, yeah. If I run this, give me a moment. So so what is this error about that I am taking a look at? Heard PHP artisan key generate. I will also have to attach the database. Okay, now the database also. So Laracon, we had to. Let me see first. First, let me give the intro. Then probably we'll spend some time setting this up. Okay, PHP or PHP artisan solo. Does this still work? Think so. No. What is the? Okay. Hmm. Nothing to migrate. Database seed. Duplicate. This user already exists. Okay. Okay. Now this worked, but the front end still has the issue white manifest not found. This I'm pretty sure it has to do with the front end, but I'm so weak at the front end that I don't know. Hold a second. Hmm, dev, composer run dev. Okay, okay. Heard composer run dev. Still, so this needs a bigger window. Let me do this. Heard composer run dev. Yes. So now this worked, but there is this also white command not found. Hmm. White. Now it should work. Yes, at least we have something. Not using this browser. This, yes. Okay, cool. How to play fission? How to play fission? Did I write? Is it the part of the code? Hold a second. Hmm. How to write fission? No, I only mentioned him this place. How to play fission? It's Laracon Connect. Weird. Am I at the right URL? Yes. How to play app name? Okay. The app name here is Fission. Laracon Connect. And that should be in double quotes. Yes. All right. Anything else that I'm missing? Okay. Nothing. Finally, we can start with the intro of the game. All right. So, so Laracon in Connect. This game is uh, was created especially for Laracon India, where the whole goal was that players could interact with each other more by requesting them to give them the boost, like, so, and the winner gets, the whoever has the most point wins. So that's because of the prize money, we were encouraging people like players and attendees to talk to each other, ask each other to boost them so that they can win, get be at the top of the leaderboard. Currently the leaderboard is empty, obviously, because it is my local. but the goal here was that each player was playing to be at the top. The whole goal was that. So, so what all uh, gameplay actions this Laracon in Connect has? First, it has boost. What does boost do? It A player can boost another player and increase their score. That is the boost. That score increases by 2 points, and this boost happens only 1 hour. Like I can boost another player once in only 1 hour. So I have to wait after boosting it for one time. I have to wait for another time and then I can boost it again. Similarly, there is pull downs. Like how I can boost, I can also pull down someone by LaraCoin 1. I forgot to mention LaraCoin is the score is nothing but a LaraCoin. We have termed it that way. So 1. And this also is available to each player every hour. Let's say if I pull down a player right now, another chance I will get after 60 minutes. This is boost and pull down. So to now this uh, to add some randomization to the game, we have introduced something called as Lara codes. Now what does this Lara codes do is they are treated like a open codes or a secret code. So there are two types of Lara code. One is super boost and one is shield. So if someone redeems a super boost, they will get a plus 10 point, and if they redeem a shield, they will get they will get a shield. Like any scores won't like no one can pull them down for 2 hours. That is the shield. Now their first action is boost, second action is pull down, then there is super boost and shield. These are Lara codes. Then finally there is resignation. So people can resign in between the game. All right. And the fun part here is that while resigning, they can transfer their score to someone else. That score can either be in negative or positive. That's how this uh, game was created. So there is only five, maximum five functionalities, actions I can say. One is resignation, shield, redeem, super boost, redeem, pull down, and boost. That's it. So this was played by 600 plus attendees at Laracon India, and hopefully we plan to like uh, we are planning to use it for next version, but confirmation is still pending. So we'll wait for that. But I, as a developer who have created this game, I want to improve this project because I know the project is not up to the standard what which the standard which I like. Obviously, it's not the best standard, but still, I when I create something, I want to be at the like good. It should be displayable. Like if anyone takes a look at the code, it should be nice. But with the limited time that I had to create this game, I was only working on it on a night after my work hours. So I had a limited time, and that's why I just focused on making things work, and things are not as good as I was expecting. So whole the idea of this whole stream is I will have bunch of episodes around this Laracon in Connect where we will try to improve this game. So if you are in the stream, if you have some inputs of how I structure the code, if there is any better way, you can obviously suggest me in the comments or even later in the tweet. Yes. So today what we'll try to do is we'll simply upgrade the Laravel version. Okay. Let's do the basic, and let's also try to see how like what all functionalities this has. It because we need multiple players. I think that would be difficult, but let's try. let's try that. To begin with, um, we'll have to log in first. So for that, I will need some dummy data. And for the dummy data, I have a uh, PHP artisan DB seed class development seeder. So this has added all the database. And just if you guys are wondering where my database is inside this um, database inside this Postgres server. If anyone of you is wondering where my database is, it's Docker based, and I usually never shut it down, so it's on. So a test user is by default always created with ticket ID like this. Invitation is sent, and there should be a mail pit already running also in that Docker container where I should have been able to look at this, but let me take a look at this. Ah, SMTP. Let me try now. Test. Okay, I have forgotten the mail pit credentials, like not mail pit, but it's mail server credentials. I think yes, mail pit itself. So let me just recollect what that was. Hmm, I think I can open another project and take a look at. Hmm, so I will take a look at the refer the existing working one which I used to work. There is where is mail? Ah, there it is. The port is 1025. Okay, I will keep this open for if I have to refer it again. Test login. I have an email. Then I can log in into the system, log in into the game. So I have logged in as a player. So here, Professor Horace, I can boost it, and the score has changed, and I can then again boost them after 60 minutes. And I am using Flux UI. So not me, but the starter kit that I'm using. Hey Devjit, thanks for joining. क्या चल रहा है भाई? So I'm giving a walkthrough of the game. Like I gave an introduction to Laracon Connect. I believe you were part of Punyapal's stream also, so you might already be aware. So I gave an introduction to the game, uh, explained how to play, and now I am showing how this game works. All right. So similarly, like how I have boosted, I can again boost someone down. So let's say Libby. So the score is -11. Once I do this, it will go -12, like that. Lara code, I can redeem a Lara code also. So let me take a look at the database. Is it connected? No. So let me connect to the database. 5432 data source is Postgres. Yes, host is fine. This is fine. Postgres and database is password is example and database is also Postgres. Test connection. Apply. Okay. Now I have a database connection right in my IDE, which I prefer during the development. I have a secret codes that I can redeem. So here we have redeemed a shield. So I will be shielded till so and so time. This is UTC. So it is plus 2 hours. Okay. Similarly, we have a super boost. So currently my score is 4. If I redeem this, I will get plus 10. So 14. Now, if I if I do if I one thing I forgot to explain that if I try to redeem any random code, I will get -2. Yes. And the now when we were testing this application, we realized that someone could actually collect all these negative points by trying it again and again, and then while resigning they can transfer it. So we came to know about that while testing. So for that we have added a cooldown period. You are in a cooldown period, please try again later. So and this cooldown period, I was it didn't we did not announce it. The cooldown period is actually 1 hour, so we did not announce it. So people just gave up. So they couldn't hack it, in simple terms. So so a cooldown period is also present, and also I can resign it, which I don't want to do now because I will get logged out. So let's try to upgrade this Laravel package. Let's see the code, what version we are currently running on. Composer, Laravel framework 11. All right. So let's try to upgrade it to the latest version of 12. And I think there should be no change. We'll just simply uh, do hard composer first bump. Let's see. So it is now to the latest version. Is there a change? Yes. Yes. Lock is also generated. That's good. And we'll push this. All right. Now there are many ways to upgrade it to the major version. Let's follow the guide. What does the guide suggest? Guide. The estimated upgrade time is 5 minutes. Yes, because I recollect from 11 to 12, they have not introduced any major breaking changes or no breaking changes. Updating the dependency, updating the livewire Laravel installer. This is the only thing. Hmm. So I think only the version change should be good. I think for me, what are we using? Updating the Laravel installer, fine. Authentication, update database, token repository, constructor signature, very low. No, yes, I'm not using that. Nothing around concurrency for me in this project. Container, container class dependency resolution also no. Database, multiple schema, database inspecting, no. Nope. Then eloquent also no. Requests, merge if missing, no. Nothing as such. And what is the composer? Is there a composer command to update it to the latest version? I think composer update Laravel framework. What does it do? It's upgraded to 42 to 44. I think that's it. Yeah, but we need a major version. So upgrade. Nope. How to upgrade to the major version manually? Of course, I know I can do that. Upgrade to the major version. Composer. Composer self update. No, no. Upgrade packages. Yeah. Nope. I think there is no for major. I think there is no command. I believe. So what the doc is suggesting is let's do it manually then. Framework to 12, PHP unit to 11, and PEST to 3. Framework to 12, PHP unit to 11, PHP unit. Nope. This is not using PHP unit. Then PEST to 3, which is already no. PEST PHP 3. It is already 3. All right. That's it. Composer update. A question. So, what do you all hold a second? Pan PHP root composer JSON requires uh, sorry, pan. I think we can uninstall because we are not using it. Solo. So we won't be able to upgrade. I think then probably we should Raise a pull request for solo. Hmm. There is a composer Jason, 2 weeks I think. Only we only need to add upgrade the solo as well then. Is there a upgrade guide? No, there is no upgrade guide. What does the change log suggests? There are a lot of breaking changes from 2 to 3. I'm sorry about that, but this is fundamental rewrite and it's so much better. Okay, what version we are on currently? Solo 0. Oh, okay. Probably we'll do a separate separate stream of what this solo is about if you all don't know yet. Solo term, solo found. Oh, my bad. What else do we have? Solo 030 also supports, also has support only three, only till, well, I think something is wrong. 05. Okay, yeah, it's done. It's done. So let's verify that. No, no. Laracon connect test. It's working fine. Dashboard. I won't be able to boost it, so I think it's disabled for 60 minutes. So we can go into the database player where email, no, where id is 1 and boosted at is set to null and pull down is set to null. Save, and I should be able to do that again. So this is 86, and if I boost them it should be 88, correct. And Hamel is minus 17, they should be minus 18, correct. Then there is secret codes, yeah, this one. So let's try to redeem this. You are in cooldown period. Okay, where did I keep the track of the cooldown period? I will need to check that. Cooldown period. Hmm. Cooldown till. So in players shielded cooldown till set null done. Now I can also redeem the secret codes. Lara code redeemed and the super boost redeemed. Yes, and last we can also resign and give some score to 22. So if we give 22 to Horace, resign and it will log out. They are now 110. So I think that's it for this stream. Thanks Devjit and everyone else who joined. Thanks for coming and we'll continue this. I will plan better next time. Uh, and see you in the next one.